Good morning, everyone. Glad that y'all can join me again. Today, I'll be cleaning my boat up. I haven't took my boat out. I believe I didn't take it out any last year. The year before that, I blew the motor because I didn't. When you go in salt water, when you come out, you always supposed to flush your motor. So I didn't do that. And when I went out again in the salt water after a period of like doing it 3 times, the motor blew. But I went on and brought a new motor and had that installed. But I haven't taken it out since I had the new motor installed on it. And the weather this year has been extremely hot. So I haven't even thought about taking the boat out. But today I'm gonna clean the boat up. And after I clean the boat up, I'm gonna go ahead and set me a date to go out and do some fishing and take you all along with me. So I'll let y'all see me clean it up today, and I'll show y'all the before and after. Okay, let me get my pickup truck and pull it up to the front. I gotta get some spray. I uncovered a beehive, a wasp nest probably about that big. So I gotta get some spray and and get that off. So I have the spray is wasp and hornet killer. Now once you tamper with the nest, they be on guard because I caught them off guard when I pulled it back. So now when I pull it back, they're gonna attack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna have the spray ready to spray them. Because let me tell you something, when they sting you, that thing hurt. So now what I gotta do, I gotta be careful as I take this talk off to make sure that I don't encounter any more. Because the only way I with this one, you all seen the boat, and you seen the before and the after, and now it's ready to go out. And when I do take it out, I'll make sure that I take you all along with me. So till then, have a blessed day.